Hello and welcome to another video on Python Essentials. So we're going to be taking a look at a couple of lists here, which are of mixed data type. And based on each and every element that we'll be checking against our data type, we will be segregating the elements into separate lists, which is we're talking about a list of integers. Let's initiate that as an empty list. We will have a list of floats and a list of strings. We do have a Boolean as well. I think we can have the Boolean. We could, for false, we could say it does have an integer value, right? We can say it has an integer value, so it would be classified as an integer. What we can do is just run this, initialize the lists, and make use of a for loop for I in our list. We're talking about I as a pointer, which is going to take each and every element in list A. And we can also ask it to look into list P by concatenating the two lists right here. Okay, for I in A plus B, which is going to be basically running through all the elements of A followed by each and every element of B. So our first condition would be if is instance, and we provide a couple of arguments. One would be the variable name. Second would be the data type as integer. If is instance I int is equal to true, we will add that element using the append function to the integer list. If not, we can go to the next alternate statement. Is instance I a float data type? We can go ahead and update our float list. When it is neither an integer nor a float, we're talking about updating our string list with the element I. So let's run this. And we can say using the print function, integer list. Okay. Print the float list. We have all the float values from the list A as well as from B. 9.32.5 and 14.4, 5.6. So we should have about, and there's 9.0 as well as the first value. So we have 5 elements, and we're talking about the string list, which has 4 strings in it.